Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the Goodpick Baskets for organizing, a versatile and stylish solution for all your storage needs. These woven storage baskets, measuring 13 by 10 by 9 inches, are perfect for shelves and closets, offering ample space for books, toys, or office supplies, ensuring your living space stays tidy and organized. Each basket comes equipped with labels, allowing you to easily identify contents like laundry supplies, toys, or towels, even when placed on high closet shelves. Crafted from soft woven cotton rope, these baskets feature sturdy handles for easy carrying, providing a comfortable touch that won't bind your hands, even with heavy loads. Ideal for any room in the home, from the living room to the laundry room, these multifunctional baskets make daily life more organized and efficient. Available in 5 unique and fashionable colors, they effortlessly match any wardrobe or style, adding a charming touch to your home decor. So, if you're looking to enhance your home's organization and style, the Goodpick Baskets are the perfect choice for you. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.